Crazy Duke's coming up to talk to her team while the refs deliberate.
Why the referees talk to each other because nobody else does.
Yeah, I want to remind all you fans, we're still having a silent auction. This is, you know, one of your last chances to get over there, put a bid in. You can win a
jersey. Hockey jersey.
A hockey jersey. Ovechkin, just from this last winter. Put a bid in there. We've got other items at the silent auction. All the proceeds go to help fund your DC All-Stars here. This team travels up and down the East Coast. They do all their own fundraising. They're completely a volunteer league, and they can really use your support. So get on over there, check out the silent auction, the merchandise booth, and help support your DC Roller Girls and the DC All-Stars that you see skating here tonight.
If it's a silent auction, why are we talking about it? I'm just asking.
This is not Fight Club. This is just an auction, man.
It's a silent auction.
Not a secret auction, silent.
Oh, okay.
As in, I'm not up here calling, you know, 5. No Porky Pig up here. Woo!
World champions deep inside the back, Yankee Skandal.
Crazy Dukes down. Let's take a moment of silence here. Just to make sure that Crazy Dukes is doing okay. We've got our EMTs out on the track.
All right, put your hands together, folks, for Crazy Dukes. Remember, as much fun as we have, this is a full contact sport, and underneath your feet is a hardwood floor. When you go down, it hurts.
Major props to our EMTs, right on top of that situation.
Give it up for the EMTs, everybody, keeping the girls safe.
That's right.
See them at the after party, buy them lots of beer.
I think the Roller Girls would also love it if you bought them lots of beer at the after party. So get on down to Kelly's Irish Times, and you too can help get a Roller Girl drunk.
Yeah!
Maybe fight or fly up on the line for the Rhode Island Riveters.
Well, it's been pointed out to me that the Roller Girls probably don't need a lot of help getting drunk, especially after skating this hard. It only takes about one. Dr.Skabs putting her hands up in exasperation as she fights this pack. Really taking some serious hits, dishing it as well as taking it.
She just went 1-to-1 with Hot Sauce, one of the hardest hitters from the Riveters. And a jammer fashion. Amazing job she's doing right there. They are both cutting toe-to-toe. Skabs through on the inside line, and she is her lead jammer. 40 seconds took them to get through that pack, and they were in the front at 5 seconds.
The All-Stars doubling the score. They've got 19 points up on the Rhode Island Riveters. Score 38-19 right now. We've got less than 4 minutes left in this half. Dr.Skabs making it through the pack.
Look at that big old smile on Skabs' face right there, huh?
Hey, she's earned it. Whoa! 1-2 punch there on Baby Firefly.
It's getting deep, it's getting hard, it's getting physical inside that back. Finally, Hot Sauce able to get Baby Firefly through the pack with a whip. It's all about the whip.
I'll admit it, when I'm on skates, I don't mind if the roller girl whips me.
I don't mind it if I'm off skates. Huge jam, 7-point jam for the DC Roller Girls. Taking that increase further apart.
I imagine it's got to be hard for the Rhode Island Riveters here. The DC All-Stars are really getting a lot of support from the crowd. It's amazing how far that energy can go towards the skaters' mood while they're out there on the track.
Well, DC has played the Riveters on a few occasions. The Riveters always come out ahead. So you know when somebody beats you, the first thing you want to do is beat them back. DC definitely came to the track with that in mind tonight, and they are playing an excellent game so far. Dominating the front of the pack, getting their jammers, open that line on the inside, and then trapping the opposing players on the outside line. An excellent job so far tonight.
Yeah, well, as a holy man, I can see how the do unto others as you would have them do unto you. When they beat you, you think, I'm going to beat you right back.
Eye for an eye. Give it up for some of our sponsors, Captain Hemp, Dr.Skabs, RollerGirlSkates.com, Eat Wonky. I have no idea what Eat Wonky is, but I'm really, really intrigued. Fiberspace, a knit and crochet universe. Give it up for Vitamin Water, Body Smith, My Moody Booty Locker Room sponsor. I like that, My Moody Booty.
Those are the folks over there with those awesome shoes. They've got a terrific website. If anybody wants to pick up a pair of those shoes for me, I'm a size 8. Size 8, folks. Anything on that table, you give me a size 8 and I will wear it.
I'm a size 10, 4-inch heel, please. I'm short. I need everything I can get.
Need some of those Pee Wee Herman platforms.
Those were sweet. Speaking of sweet, it's Sweet Tease on the line for the Rhode Island Riveters.
Absolutely. Yankee Skandal for the DC All-Stars. I have to say, this is a very patriotic looking bout with these red and blue uniforms out there.
We are in the nation's capital. And once again,
you know, it did not even take 15 seconds on that jam clock before Yankee Skandal had made it through the pack, secured lead jammer status, and here she goes, already.
Almost back through the pack, but it was a sham block that was able to lock her back in.
I thought she was going to slide through like butter.
Like butter, she says. 5 points. Shaving a haircut, cut him in the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yankee Skandal.
See a lot of little helmet-to-helmet action there. Unfortunately, the Rhode Island Riveters losing their jammer to the penalty box. Sweet Tease, that's another tough break.
That's exactly what the Riveters did not want going into the halftime.
Yankee Skandal avoiding a couple of spills. You see a number of skaters down.
Sham block was down low, but she got back up and heading off to the penalty box, so I think they called her on a low block.
The Riveters now skating with just 3 skaters on the track, no jammer. It's a very strong position for the DC All-Stars. Yankee Skandal still struggling though with just those 3 skaters. 2 of them, they're on her like white on snow.
Cut them up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the sky. Yankee Skandal. Yankee Skandal got 1 more to go there. She takes Bleeding Rainbow to the corner. She is through the back 1 more time. 4 points up on the board.
This is an unbelievable jam. 19 points. I have rarely seen anything even close to this. That is an unbelievable number of points for a jam.
That is the end of that jam. There is enough time to put another jammer, and yep, the jammers are coming out. Ladies and gentlemen, please remember that once the jam starts, it's the jam clock and not the game clock that is in charge. So basically, you can go the full 2 minutes or whenever the lead jammer calls it off.
That was amazing. A 21-point jam. I've never seen that many points put on the board by a single skater in a single jam. Wow. Mad props to Yankee Skandal. That was incredible skating.
Huge jam, definitely on the
shots tonight.
Ruka saw this through, and she is your lead jammer. Now she's looking back at Super Slaughterhouse. Looks like she's doing a little jammer on jammer booty door action.
The Rhode Island Riveters, I'm sure, are really hoping they can pick up some points before the end of this half. It's been very tough the past few jams. They've been held at bay at that 19-point mark.
Great job by Ruka Salt. She got through the pack. She got lead jammer status. When she saw that Slaughterhouse was right next to her, what did she do? She pushed her out of bounds and made her go all the way to the back of the pack again.
Incredible skating. exciting tonight. Ooh, I want to see some jammer on jammer action.
Hell yeah.
There it is.
Nice big hit by Ruka A. Salt on Slaughterhouse.
Ruka and Suki going at it.
It looks like the dance-off at an after party. Those two girls are going at it side by side. Ruka finally calling off the jam. 5 points up on the board, stopping the bleeding for the Rhode Island